Hi boys and girls. I want you to listen to each problem, pause, and then solve it, and then press play to go to the next one, okay? So for number 1, you're going to solve using take from 10, which means if you're taking from your 10, you need to find your 10. So you should have a 10 and some 1s. You're going to subtract from your 10. 10, take away the number you're subtracting, give me the answer. And then you need to take this answer, what's left over, and add it to your leftover 1s. Go ahead and pause and show me how you would solve using take from 10. Okay, number 2, Macy counted 10 Skittles in her snack bag and 6 Skittles on her napkin. She gave 7 Skittles to Grady. How many Skittles does she have left in all? So she had 10 in her snack bag and 6 on her napkin. If she gave 7 Skittles to Grady, how many does she have left in all? So find her total first, and then find out if she gave 7 to Grady, how many she should have left. Make sure you show your work. Go ahead and pause. Number 3, Jordan has 10 Pokemon cards in his pocket and 3 cards in his backpack. He gave 5 cards to Daniel. How many cards does Jordan have left in all? Again, find his total. And then what did he give to Daniel? So how many does Jordan have left if he had 10 in his pocket, 3 in his backpack, but then he gave 5 cards to Daniel? Go ahead and pause and solve. Number 4, Quinn has 8 crayons, 14 pencils, and 11 markers. Show the number of pencils Quinn has using a 10 and some 1s, a number bond, and a number sentence. So find she has this many pencils. How many 10s and how many 1s are in this number? And then show me the 10s and the 1s and the total. And then 10s plus 1s gives you your total. Go ahead and pause and solve, and then turn the page and press play. Number 5, Shane has 8 crayons, 14 pencils, and 11 markers. He sold some pencils. Now he has 6 pencils. How many pencils did he sell? So find how many pencils he started with. He sold some, and now he's left with 6. So show me your work. How would you solve? How many pencils he sold? Number 6, Noah has 8 crayons, 14 pencils, and 11 markers. He sold 9 markers. How many markers does he have left? So he had 11 markers. He sold 9 markers. How many does he have left? And the last one, D'Alessandro had 8 crayons, 2 pencils, and 4 markers. As D'Alessandro gets ready to clean up, he needs to know how many items he has all together. How many items does he have in all? Okay, if you need to hear any of this again, re-listen. Make sure you showed your work so that way I can see what you were thinking when you wrote your answers. Make sure you put your name at the top of your paper.